Hey everybody, it's Amish Counts again. I know it's been a while. I've had a lot of classes and internships that have really kept me busy. I hope to get back to uploading regularly now. I have so many ideas to do with my experience of the intensive classes, internships, and my thoughts on the accelerated semester. This video is a much needed one on cable management. I said I'd get round to it, and I finally have. This is the cable management kit I used by HiNet Technologies. Some of the pieces aren't in this little video as I've already used them, but it comes with everything you need. I also used a cable management box that you'll see in the next section of this video. Enjoy!